Here's the story. Sophie was a young woman who had just started her first job out of college. She was excited to have a steady income and was eager to start planning for her future. She had always been interested in the stock market and investing, but she didn't know where to start. One day, Sophie was browsing through YouTube and stumbled upon a video titled, "Mastering Your Finances on Investing." Intrigued, she clicked on the video and was immediately hooked. The video was hosted by a financial expert who explained the basics of investing and offered tips and advice for beginners. Sophie watched the entire video and felt like she had learned so much. She was excited to start investing and decided to do more research on her own. She spent hours reading articles and watching videos on investing, but she still felt overwhelmed and unsure of where to start. That's when she remembered the "Mastering Your Finances on Investing" video she had watched. She went back to the channel and found that there was an entire playlist dedicated to investing. She started watching the videos and taking notes, and soon she felt more confident in her knowledge of investing. Sophie decided to open a brokerage account and start investing in stocks. She used the tips and advice she had learned from the "Mastering Your Finances" playlist and started making smart investment decisions. She didn't see huge returns right away, but she was patient and continued to invest regularly. A few years later, Sophie was pleasantly surprised to see that her investments had grown significantly. She had made smart investment decisions and had built a strong and diversified portfolio. She was grateful for the knowledge she had gained from the "Mastering Your Finances on Investing" playlist and knew that she wouldn't have been able to achieve her financial goals without it. Sophie continued to invest and grow her portfolio, and eventually, she became a financial expert herself. She started her own YouTube channel dedicated to teaching others about investing and personal finance, and she always made sure to mention the "Mastering Your Finances" playlist as a valuable resource for beginners. But as Sophie's channel grew, she started to receive comments from viewers who had fallen victim to investment scams. They had followed advice from supposed financial experts and had lost all of their money. Sophie was heartbroken to hear these stories, and she knew that she had to do something to help. Sophie decided to create a new playlist on her channel dedicated to exposing investment scams and educating viewers on how to protect themselves. She used her platform to share stories from real people who had been scammed and to warn viewers of the red flags to look out for. Thanks to Sophie's efforts, many people were able to avoid falling victim to investment scams. Her channel became a trusted resource for anyone looking to invest and grow their wealth. And Sophie continued to use the lessons she had learned from the "Mastering Your Finances" playlist to make smart investment decisions and to help others achieve their financial goals. Years later, Sophie looked back on her journey and felt proud of all that she had accomplished. She knew that it all started with that one video she had stumbled upon on YouTube. The "Mastering Your Finances on Investing" playlist had changed her life, and she was grateful for the knowledge and confidence it had given her.